Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will practice very easy English sentences that you can use in daily life. You just have to listen and repeat after me. This is called shadowing practice. It will improve your speaking plus pronunciation plus confidence. So let's start. Rule: before we start, remember, listen carefully, pause and repeat. Speak loudly. Don't worry about your mistakes. Just practice daily. Shadowing sentences. Repeat each sentence 2 times in video. I wake up early in the morning. Now you repeat it with me. Second sentence is I brush my teeth. Now repeat this. I take a bath daily. I am ready for work. I am learning English. I feel happy today. I am very busy. I need some water. I need some water. I am feeling tired. I want to rest. Please sit here. Please come here. Please help me. I don't understand. Can you repeat it? I am going to market. I am coming back soon. I am at home. I am free now. I am ready now. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? I am fine. Nice to meet you. I like this place. I don't like it. It is very good. It is very bad. I am hungry. I want food. I am eating now. I am cooking food. I am watching TV. I am reading a book. I am going to school. I am going to office. I am learning something new. I am trying my best. I am improving every day. Don't worry. Take care. See you later. Good morning. Good night. I am sorry. Thank you so much. You are welcome. I agree with you. Let's start again tomorrow. Great job. If you repeated all sentences, you are improving your English speaking skills. Practice this daily for better results. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.